Talofa Tagada Uma, everyone. Alright, and that is Samoan for hello, everybody. I wanted to say it a little fancy because today we're making a Mai Tai. I'm here with my buddy Mike Tucker. He's the Mike Tucker, also known as the Birdman Mike Tucker. He does some bird watches. Let him explain what he does.
Yeah, I just, for about 13 years, I worked for the Audubon Society of Rhode Island, and as a little kid, birds is my passion. And I don't work with the Audubon anymore, but where I live in Woods Hole in Falmouth, I do a lot of bird walks and talks and lectures and that sort of fun stuff for the land trust there in town, and very enthusiastic group of people for the environment over there, so it makes it fun for me. Always good turnout, it's a lot of fun.
And it's amazing when we go out on hikes with him, and he just starts naming off birds left and right. He's named up to 75 birds in one shot. It's amazing. He also does some photography, so look up his Facebook page, look up Mike Tucker, and you might be able to use him as a photographer. So, what this is, it's a Mai Tai, and of course with every other drink recipe, there's always variations. There's never one set thing. Even with Manhattans and martinis, people like them dry, extra dry. Some people like a Manhattan with both vermouths. So, there's no really set way to do it. But what we're going to do is we're going to use Gosling's dark rum, Blue Chair Bay white rum, a little triple sec, a little amaretto. We have Oakheart syrup, which is kind of an orange, almond flavored simple syrup. Some lime juice and pineapple juice to top off the whole thing. So I don't really use shot glasses very often, but I count. So this is about a shot of the dark rum. Do about a shot of the white rum. About a half a shot of amaretto. And about a half a shot of triple sec. Now to get a little almond and orangey flavor in there too with the triple sec and the amaretto, a couple of squeezes of the Oakheart syrup. It's actually Oakheart, so I kind of screwed it up. A little bit of the lime juice. Now if you want to, after it's made, you put the pineapple juice in, you shake it up. You can put a little bit of grenadine syrup in there. It's going to add a nice little color. The grenadine will actually run down through the drink, so it looks really pretty. So this is what we got. This is the Mai Tai. I apologize for not having any pineapple wedges or paper umbrellas.
What the hell?
I know, I'm slacking. I give kudos to the guy. His name is the Tipsy Bartender. Guy goes all out doing stuff. He's nuts. But it's an awesome videos to watch. So, Mai Tai. Hope everybody's having a great weekend. Stay safe, everybody. Enjoy.
Wow.